welcome to 13th module. In this module, we are going to start a new topic. Name of this topic is molecular mass. So this concept can be extended to calculate molecular masses of different substances. The molecular mass of a substance is the sum of atomic masses of all the atoms present in the molecule of a substance. It can be expressed in atomic mass unit or AMU that already we have discussed in the previous modules. Children, let us see how to calculate the molecular masses of different molecules. Let us start with a simple example. That is, you want to calculate the molecular mass of water. What is the molecular formula of water? Yes, H2O. That is the molecular formula or chemical formula of water. Children, how many hydrogen atoms are present in the water molecule? Yes, it contains 2 hydrogen atoms. What about oxygen atom? 1 oxygen atom is there in water molecule. That means water molecule contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. So, in the first step, what you have to do now, you want to write the atomic masses of different elements present in the molecule. So here we know that hydrogen and oxygen are the different elements present in the molecule, and we have already learnt about the atomic masses of different elements. Okay, so here what is the atomic mass of hydrogen atom? Yes, atomic mass of hydrogen atom is equal to 1. Okay, 1 is the atomic mass of hydrogen atom. Then what about the atomic mass of oxygen atom? Yes, atomic mass of oxygen atom is 16. 16 is the atomic mass of oxygen atom. So here in the water molecule, it contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. So in the first step, you want to write the atomic masses of different elements present in the molecule or a compound. So first one, atomic mass of hydrogen atom is equal to 1 and atomic mass of oxygen atom equal to 16. Then in the next step, you have to calculate the molecular mass of water. How can you calculate the molecular mass of water? Yes, you want to multiply the number of atoms with their atomic mass. If you want to calculate the molecular mass of water, okay, what you have to do now? First, you want to multiply the hydrogen atoms with its atomic mass. Okay, let us see. Molecular mass of water molecule, that is equal to, here how many hydrogen atoms are there? Yes, 2. So you want to multiply this 2 with atomic mass of hydrogen. So we all know that atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So 2 into 1 plus, then next you have to consider oxygen atom. How many oxygen atoms are there? Yes, only 1 oxygen atom is there. So 1 into atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So 1 into 16, that is 2 plus 16. So total 18U. U represents unified mass. So children, molecular mass of water is 18U. Children, next let us calculate the molecular mass of carbon dioxide. What is the molecular formula of carbon dioxide? Yes, as we all know, the molecular formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. Okay, then you have to consider the number of atoms present in the molecule. Okay, here 1 carbon atom and 2 oxygen atoms are present. Then in the first step, what you have to do? Yes, you want to write the atomic masses of different elements present in the molecule. What is the atomic mass of carbon? Yes, 12. So, atomic mass of carbon is equal to 12. Okay, 12U. Then what about the atomic mass of oxygen? Yes, atomic mass of oxygen is equal to 16U. Then next we are going to calculate the molecular mass of carbon dioxide molecule. So molecular mass of carbon dioxide molecule is equal to, first you have to consider carbon atom. How many carbon atoms are there? Yes, only one carbon atom. So 1 into atomic mass of carbon is equal to 12. So 1 into 12 plus then oxygen. How many oxygen atoms are there? Yes, 2. 2 into atomic mass of oxygen equal to 16. So 2 into 16. 1 into 12 is equal to 12 plus 16 into 2 is equal to 32. Then molecular mass of carbon dioxide is equal to 44U. 12 plus 32 is equal to 44U. So this is the molecular mass of carbon dioxide molecule. In this way, we want to calculate the molecular mass of different molecules.